Welcome to Now Weapon Digital's Consult. Learn how to create your very own WhatsApp bot with our detailed guidance. Step 1. Understand the basics of WhatsApp bots and their uses. What are WhatsApp bots? WhatsApp bots automate messaging tasks, helping businesses engage customers efficiently and at scale. Step 2. Set up your WhatsApp business account and environment. How to set up. Create a WhatsApp business account. Verify your phone number. Configure business profile settings. Step 3. Choose the right platform or tool to build your bot, like Communicate or ManyChat. Popular bot platform. Communicate, ManyChat, LandBot. Step 4. Design your bot's conversation flow and automate responses effectively. Creating conversation flow. Map out typical user requests and program your bot to reply with helpful, relevant answers instantly. Step 5. Test your WhatsApp bot to ensure smooth performance. Testing your bot. Use testing tools and real user simulations to check the bot's responses and fix any issues. You are now ready to create and deploy your WhatsApp bot successfully with Now Weapon Digital's Consult's expert tips. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more expert digital consulting and bot building tips.